So let's take a look at the letter A. They're always, and all of it is always from bottom to top. So we never go up on one side and then down the other in order to complete. We have to build it sequentially on top of each other, which makes it really interesting on how everything is working. And you'll see in a future tutorial that everything is like a box and you need to have the foundation underneath the boxes in order to build it up. So in this case, if you're ever unsure, in parentheses, it gives you instruction. It matches the instructions that are at the base here. So it says chain 12, so you can sit there and count it, or you can look here and say, okay, this is what I need to do. And then once you get here, because you're going continually up, this here is gonna get left behind. So they want you to hold and then create the next leg right here, and you are going to finish off and attach it to this one before you can continue this yarn to be able to go all the way across and then build up this middle section. Once you're in the middle section, because of the coloring, we are going to follow up on this side of the A, and then we're gonna stop. We can't do this part here because this is missing so far, so we have to come back down here, and it says start here, and there's parenthesis number 5, which matches the instruction, and then you start here and you're working your way through to the top. Because this is already done, once you get up here, you're just going to finish off the letter just like you see.